Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Karma Revero. This 4-door sedan has a 4-cylinder engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Karma is a great value with less than 28,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.